Learn and grow on the Sadi Daddy Show. Do you see mom and dad loaded with clothes to fold and you wish you could help? What if I told you that folding clothes is easier than you think and that I can show you how with a few simple steps? Maybe you will impress them and show them how clean and responsible you are. First, find a flat surface around your house where you can fold your clothes. The bed, or a table, or the sofa will work. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fold 3 items. So let's get started with a shirt. Place the shirt facing down. And then you can straighten it, make sure that you kind of straighten out the wrinkles. Now I want you to imagine creating an imaginary line on this side and then another one right here. So we're going to cut the shirt here, separate it in 3. 1, 2, 3. So 2 lines. Then I'm gonna fold it on that first line, straighten it, and then fold it on the second line, straighten it, just like that. Now imagine one line, cut it right in the middle like this. Fold it right there, straighten it out, and voila, here it is. Now if you want to fold it one more time, make it nice and small, just fold it in half again. Let me show you another way that you can do the same fold, but maybe it'll be easier for you to understand. Place the shirt facing down once again, straighten it out. Now, grab a book. Not too big or too small, just the right size that will fit the shirt. And place it on top here. And now, right over here where the book begins, you're going to fold it. Then, right here with the other side of the book, you're going to fold it right there. It kind of helps you with your imaginary line. Then, right here where the book is, you're going to fold again. I'm going to flip it over, remove the book, and here it is. Same way as before, but we had a little prop to help us. Let me show you one more way so you can really understand how to fold it like this. All right, using tape, I'm going to grab some tape, and I'm going to place it right over that imaginary line, right here. And then I'll do it again on the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a tool to help you practice. Then I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna imagine that imaginary line going across, cut it in half. I would say like right around here, right? So let's get to folding. Flip the shirt down. Now right where the tape is, we're going to fold it, and then the other tape, fold it, and now see this line here in half? Fold it. Oops, right here. There you go. Here is a technique that you can do it over and over again until you feel comfortable, and you can do it without the tape. See? Do it again. Straighten it. Boom. Boom. Ta-da! Keep practicing, I know you'll be great at it. Now it's time to fold shorts, or skirts, or pants. They all fall in the same category. This is gonna be a piece of cake. Now, place the shorts facing down. Now right over here, you already have a line. If you're folding shorts, you're gonna see a line, right? Going across like this, it's your imaginary line that you can actually see. You're gonna fold it right there. Boom. Make sure that if you have pockets that you tuck them in, straighten them out. Now you can fold it again and make it more compact so it can fit in your drawer. Or some people like it just like that. But you can see what mommy likes. There you go. If it's a skirt, you may not have the imaginary line, but you know where, just cut it in half right here. Fold it right in half. Boom. Fold it again. There you go. Now if you're folding pants, pants are gonna be longer, so all you have to do is fold it in half and then in half again. Got it? I knew you could do this. Now let's fold socks. These are my favorites. I actually have fun doing it. First, you have to find the pair. You probably have a bunch of socks all over. So find the ones that match. I think these match. Now you're gonna put them together, side by side, like they're best friends. And you're going to now hold them like this and open just one of them. One of them, open the top. See, you're gonna see, oh, look inside the sock. Now keep holding it. You don't wanna let go. Your goal is to bring this flap all the way down, and it's going to kind of wrap them together. So what's gonna end up happening is that this sock is going to go over your fingers. Hi. So it's gonna be like this. Remove your fingers, and here it is. I have so much fun. You can actually turn it into a game. I hope you learned some of these tips and tricks on how to fold clothes. Keep practicing, you'll be great at it, and you surely impress everyone around you. The next step would be to put the clothes away, so have fun with mom and dad so they can show you where things go. This will help you grow into a more mature, organized, clean, and responsible child. All right, it was fun doing this with you. Bye-bye.
Please like and subscribe and stay creative.